everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming for you guys this look over here, and it's kind of a get ready with me video. I'm going to work in a bit. I figured that this look would go really well with the hopefully a warmer weather coming up, even though in Toronto it's raining like crazy every day. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you are interested, please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer as the base for my eyeshadow. Next, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows with my Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in Granite. Next, I'm gonna use my Anastasia and Mario Master Palette. I'm gonna start with this shade over here. It's called Isabel. So I'm putting this color just right above the crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the Violetta, which is this brownish shade over here. And I'm going to take that, this brush right here, and put that right in the crease, and then on the outer V of the eye, and then push it forward. I'm going to go back to my blending brush and the shade Isabel and kind of blend it out, adding a little bit more of the orange. I'm gonna go back to my Makeup Forever concealer, and I'm just going to add a little bit on the lid before we put the lid shade, just so it pops more. And for the lid shade, I'm gonna go in with my finger actually, and I'm gonna use this shade over here. It's called Marina. I'm gonna do eyeliner, and for that I'm gonna be using, I got this new eyeliner from Walmart. It's e.l.f. $3, and it's actually really good. So it's just a liquid liner. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lash line. So next I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara before my lashes as usual. So the lashes that I'm going to be using today are Ardell Wispies as usual. Next, I'm going to do my face, and first I'm starting off with my Too Faced Hangover RX Primer slash Setting Spray. I love this thing. I'm also going to go in with my Benefit Porefessional. I'm going to then use my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Custard. And I'm going to go in these little spots. Then I'm going to use my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade Fiji. Concealer, and I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin in the shade Light Neutral. I'm going to go in with Laura Mercier Translucent and this little sponge right here, and I'm going to bake the under eyes. After that, I'm going to finish off the under eyes using my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. I'm going to go in with this pinkish shade over here, and I'm going to mix it a little bit with the red shade. Next, I'm going to wipe off that powder. Then I'm going to go in with some mascara on the lower lashes, and I'm going to use my Benefit They're Real. For contour, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm going to also add a little bit of bronzer, and for that I'm going to use my Guerlain Terracotta bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use my Milani Luminoso Baked Powder Blush, and it's like a nice peachy, orangey kind of shade. Next, I'm gonna set my face with the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. And I'm going to then take my Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. I'm gonna go in with this shade right over here. It's called Summer. I'm gonna highlight the under the brow and the inner corner of my eye. And I'm also gonna do down the bridge of the nose and the tip of the nose. Cupid's bow. I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeliner, black eyeliner in my waterline. Finally, for the lips, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick. This one is in Carina. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please don't forget to share it, comment, and give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Ugh.